Hi, Mom. Need a hand?
Oh, hi, sweetie. That would be lovely.
Okay, I can put these in.
Thank you. Want to help with the laundry?
Yes, can I open the door?
Of course. Let's do it together. Here you go, sweetie.
Thanks, Mom.
You're a big help. Thanks for grabbing that, sweetie.
No problem, Mom.
You're a big help.
What's next?
The dryer.
Here's another one, Mom.
Thank you, sweetie. You're a big help.
Can I help put them in?
Of course.
This paint really got everywhere.
It did. Let's get it washed.
Okay.
Good job. Remember when you wore this? Playground mud and all.
I remember. It was my favorite.
Ready to fold this one together?
Yes, Mommy.
Perfect. You're getting so good at this. These are drying nicely.
Yes, this one is so soft.
Good job, sweetie.
I love helping.